How to listen to a PDF aloud. Sometimes, whatever the reason, we don't want or can't read content. Let's assume you are already tired of looking at the computer screen. However, you want to follow the content of the PDF. Have you ever thought if it was possible to listen to a PDF? So, watch this video. I will show you how to listen to PDF. I mean, read a PDF document aloud. To do this, I will use a browser. Here on my desktop, I have an example of a PDF. I will point the mouse cursor over this file and I'm going to right-click it. In the usual mouse configuration, doing this, a quick menu is going to appear. At this point, you must hover your mouse on the Open With option and then choose Microsoft Edge. The PDF was opened with the browser. Now, notice that at the top, next to the Add Text button, there is the option to read aloud. Click Read Aloud and the browser will start reading the text from the file to you. That's really cool, isn't it? You can control reading aloud by fast-forwarding, rewinding, or pausing the speech. In the upper right corner, there are voice options. By clicking on voice options, you can set the reading speed to slower, faster, or normal. And even more sensational in my humble opinion, you can choose to read in several languages: Spanish, Portuguese, English, and much more. Did you like this video? Then tap the subscribe button to follow more tips like this one and share this video with your friends, because if it helped you, you can also help more people. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.